Little heat soaked. It's about 190. They had to clean the track. Less than ideal. Hopefully it cools off a little bit. Down to 180, 185 now. They're just waiting for the end of the track to clear. So I'm going to light the top light, set of lights up, and then I clear it out, okay? Give it a couple of revs. Let the RPMs come back down, drop it into first gear, bring the RPM up just a little bit, okay? Good race.
We beat him! Can you see him now?
I don't know what it did. 1240. According to the Draggy, 1240.
1240, and he was a 240, I think? We beat him by like a lot.
Oh. 1240. I don't see the mile per hour. We'll see. We'll see what it says. Thank you. 1238 at 115.40. 1238 at 115.40.